Hello guys and welcome to my first video. My name is Mostafa and this is a new channel. This channel I will be creating all about code, tech and stuff, and we're gonna be starting out with a series, a C# beginners, complete beginners tutorial series. So in this first episode of the tutorial series, we will be installing Visual Studio's Community Edition. We're gonna be setting it up and creating our first C# Visual Studio project, and it's gonna be good. So without further ado, don't forget to smash that like button and let's get started with our C# beginners tutorial, which is a really powerful language, by the way. And let's get. Okay, so you're gonna have to open this link, visualstudio.microsoft.com. I'm just joking, I put a link in the description. You just need to press on it and you're gonna have to look for the Visual Studio IDE, rich IDE / advanced debugging. You're gonna hover over the download. You're gonna click on the Community 2019 download, which I already have installed, which is gonna open in the Visual Studio installer after you finish downloading this, which is gonna be this. First, you're gonna go into the available and you're gonna have this, which I already have installed. In the available, you're gonna click install. After you install and choose the file location, it's gonna get this up, which will be what workloads you want installed. One of the workloads are going to be that we need is the .NET desktop development, build WPF, Windows Forms, etc., C# Visual Basic, and F#. Okay, that's all we're gonna be needing. If you want to like be ready for other tutorials I'm gonna be creating, you should download the C++ one and the Unity and C++ with Unreal Engine, and then hit install and pause the video. When it's finished installing, you should open the Visual Studio thing. It's gonna open on this. You're not gonna have any lists here because you do not have any recent projects unless you already had Visual Studios, which you just skip this. Actually, don't skip it because we're gonna be creating our new project. So we're gonna hit create new project. We're gonna go to change the language to C# only. We're gonna get the WPF app.NET framework. We're gonna look for the console. Okay, and we're gonna create the console app.NET framework. We're gonna press create on it. Next, we're gonna name it Tut1 series beginners YT, and then you're now gonna place the solution in on the project in the same directory. You're gonna have the .network at the default one, 4.7.2, not lower, which is the newest one, and press create. It's gonna take a little while. No, it's not. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Sorry, I have Visual Assistant just installed. So we have this. The colors are probably gonna be different on your computer because you don't have Visual Assist, but don't play around with all this stuff. We're gonna get into that cool stuff later. This stuff are not gonna be really important right now. All you need to know that this, if you type something in here, like a print statement, it's gonna print in the console, which will be here. Okay, this is done for the first tutorial. Next tutorial will be out by tomorrow, and stay tuned. Love code. My name is Mostafa, and bye bye.